Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
No other agent can serve you better now.
Hi, I'm Rich Testa with Rich Testa Real Estate. Welcome to 1153 Strong Road in Victor, an amazing country estate named Thistle Hill. So let's take a tour. This beautiful and spacious foyer features hardwood floors and a custom staircase, and welcomes you to this special home. Just off the foyer, the hallmark of this quality-built Kentmar home is a spectacular great room with cathedral ceilings, a fireplace, and nature views. Just off the great room is an eat-in designer country kitchen featuring beautiful wood cabinetry, a breakfast island, hardwood floors, deck access, and those scenic views. The first floor also features an entertainment-sized dining room, a bedroom or office, plus a powder room and laundry. The finished lower level provides great additional living space, while the upstairs features 3 bedrooms and 2 full bathrooms. Including this beautiful master suite with a walk-in closet, a full bathroom, and an expansive private living space or potential 5th bedroom. This property is situated in a private storybook setting. The driveway meanders up to this beautiful home on nearly 5 scenic acres. This rare and exceptional property is great for outdoor enjoyment and entertaining. With an expansive deck, hot tub, and beautiful landscaping. The town of Victor is a great place to live with excellent restaurants and shopping. Well, I hope you enjoyed the tour of 1153 Strong Road in Victor, an amazing country estate. Cheers to living here!